The top 10 health benefits of sage, nature's medicinal herb. If you're looking to improve your health and appearance naturally, sage may be the answer you've been searching for. Sage, Salvia officinalis, is an herb that's been used in traditional medicine since ancient times and has long been valued for its many health benefits, as well as its pleasant, aromatic scent. Here are just a few of the sage health benefits that this video will examine in more detail. 1. Alleviates respiratory ailments. Sage has been traditionally used for a wide variety of health purposes, such as easing respiratory ailments. As an expectorant, it can expel phlegm and reduce the production and viscosity of mucus in the lungs. A 2002 study published in Chest also concluded that using sage helped to reduce asthma symptoms better than placebo or no treatment. Sage may help asthma patients with inflammation by helping to suppress the activities of mast cells that are present in the lungs and allergic reactions. 2. Strengthens the immune system. Sage boosts the immune system in a variety of ways. One study has shown that it stimulates production of immunoglobulin A, an antibody against bacteria and viruses. In addition, sage has been shown to reduce allergic symptoms and asthma attacks by calming the body's response to allergens. The plant is also known for its liver protective properties. It helps break down toxins, while also preventing toxins from building up. 3. Reduces inflammation. If you suffer from any type of inflammatory condition such as arthritis, or if you want to avoid future issues with this ailment, then adding sage in your diet is a wise choice. This herb has been shown to improve both memory and mental clarity as well. All this and more can be achieved by simply adding some fresh sage to your cooking dishes. 4. Promotes healthy digestion. Sage is commonly used to calm the digestive system and treat diarrhea. But it also helps to fight inflammation and regulate blood sugar levels, both of which can play a role in diabetes and high cholesterol. The essential oils found in sage are antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, antiseptic, and even analgesic. Sage also contains flavonoids, which help protect against cardiovascular disease and cognitive decline. 5. Boosts memory and brain function. Sage leaves have been used for centuries to increase memory and improve the function of the brain. Modern studies have shown that sage has powerful antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties, all of which work together to maintain optimal brain health. In lab tests conducted by Harvard Medical School professor Dr. Joseph Quinn, sage was found to reduce Alzheimer's disease symptoms in mice by nearly half in just a matter of weeks. 6. Combats depression, anxiety, and fatigue. First and foremost, sage is a well-known aid for relief from depression, anxiety, and fatigue. It has been used to relieve the negative emotional feelings that come with these conditions. As with many holistic remedies, it offers relief without the side effects associated with synthetic drugs. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to mitigate symptoms without becoming reliant on addictive prescriptions or experiencing unpleasant side effects. 7. Preserves bone health. Rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium and other minerals like zinc and manganese, sage tea can actually help regulate the body's minerals by reducing the body's excess salt that may lead to high blood pressure. Not only is it a healthy beverage to drink after a meal, but also offers health benefits. To make sage tea, simply add 2 tablespoons of fresh or dried leaves per cup of boiled water. Allow it to steep for 5 minutes, then remove the leaves from the drink before you enjoy your newly infused beverage. 8. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. One way that sage is beneficial for your health is that it helps regulate blood sugar levels. One study showed a reduction in insulin resistance following 8 weeks of daily consumption, and other studies have shown a correlation between increased insulin sensitivity and sage extract use. The medicinal herb also has anti-inflammatory properties, which may help people with diabetes to regulate their blood sugar levels. Some researchers believe that the high antioxidant content of sage might help stabilize glucose production by preventing oxidative damage to insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. 9. Lowers blood pressure. Sage helps to normalize blood pressure by stabilizing erratic heartbeats and regulating the functions of the circulatory system. This herb is typically used for those who are prone to high or low blood pressure and people with hypertension. Since 2005, more than 30 trials have been conducted with sage extract. 10. Relieves symptoms of PMS. Some women have found that taking sage reduces many symptoms of PMS, including headaches, nausea, mood swings, bloating, and even prevents yeast infections. These benefits are due to the phytoestrogens in the plant, which can balance hormonal levels. Women who suffer from breast tenderness, acne, or severe mood swings might benefit from this herb. It also helps regulate blood sugar for those with diabetes or hypoglycemia. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe when you find this video helpful.